Alright, we got a Kawasaki KRX 1000 two-seater, and the problem we had with it was the meter unit right here, the meter unit blinking, and I'm going to show you on a bench test here shortly what it was doing. Nothing in the manual about this particular problem, very little on any type of forums other than maybe check all your loose wires, kind of vague. We're going to download the manual, the service manual. We're going to go through the wiring, we're going to check everything and see what the problem is. Alright, so we took out the meter unit and we put it up here on the bench, ran some power directly to the back of it, just from a 12-volt battery. And according to the manual, you should flash for 2 seconds, and it doesn't really say what else happens after that in the main maintenance manual, or the service manual rather, but what we have is this kind of phenomenon where you got the power, low and high flashing. So consulting the service manual, you can see the pinout it gives you for the back of the ECU, where you should be getting power to, where to do your tests with the ignition on. We weren't getting any power to the white wire, so we brought up the schematic, kind of traced it out. The white wire goes from the ignition to the ECU directly, and you can use this schematic to trace this out. So the next thing was, well, where do we take power from, or do we run another wire all the way back to the ignition? With the ignition on, make sure you have power to this white wire. It does go to the ignition. Somewhere along in this machine we lost signal from the ignition going to the ECU, which causes our meter unit to start blinking. So basically we have a new power wire going from the accessory relay, this brown and white wire, goes through the harness and then goes right to the computer to this white wire. Now it's been soldered and shrink wrapped back here, and then the harness has been put back together so you can't see it.